Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do an Accordian Triple. This is the same kind of triple as the Arm Jive Triple, not to be confused with things like a first move triple step, which is a completely different thing. To account, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. So let's break that down. This starts with a return direction piece of accordion, so we're right to right, semicircle back, we're going to offer the left, which we're going to pick up as we come in to take the lady round in a return direction. So as we come in, we pick up the hand, we raise the right, the left is going low, the right is coming down, and at the end of that return we're trying to get the hands down slightly on our right hand side, so that as we push we can take the hands over to the left to make the lady want to take her right foot back, and while the lady does that, the guy's going to step forwards on his left. Keep pushing, take the hands over to the right, lady goes back with her left, guys step in on the right, and then last one, guys left, ladies right, hands going over to the left. We transfer the weight, guys back foot, ladies front foot, and then we go backwards. So it's left for the guys, right for ladies, and we go 1, 2, 3. You could do that more than once, so you could go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm only going to teach you it once, but if you dance into a piece of music where you get that bomb, 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 say 4 times, then going back, forwards would be perfect. We're going to lift that right hand up when we're ready to finish, send the lady away into a turn, get out of the way to the left, and we're going to get a return over the top, 2 hands close together. So we got cross-handed at the end, ready for something like a hallelujah or another cross-handed move. Okay, so let's break that down from this side and think about some numbers. So we go back and offer. There's 1. Returning 2. We send the lady into the walk. 3 and 4. Back the other way. 5 and 6. Notice I brought the hand up ready to send the lady into the turn. Round 7. Facing 8, getting out of the way. Travelling return 1 and back 2. Okay, let's do it nice and slow. 5, a 6, an accordion triple. It's offer, return, walk, 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 prep, turn, look, return, and back. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another move. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end. And as always, have a nice day. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.